Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying holidays, but keep on studying. So, today I'm going to start another topic of grammar, direct and indirect speech. What is reported speech? Let's start with this. Reported speech is also known as direct and indirect speech or narrations. Many of you must be knowing it by the name of narrations. In indirect speech, we convey the speaker's message in our own words. Thus, the message can be conveyed in two ways, direct speech or indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech is known as repeating the exact words spoken, and indirect speech is known as reporting the words indirect. But the question occurs how to report or how to use indirect speech. There are obviously certain rules to make changes in a sentence from direct to indirect speech. Let's have a glance on the rules. Rules to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Students, take out your pen and paper, then start writing. There are many changes when we transform a sentence of direct speech into indirect speech. The changes are we need to change the modals, reporting verb, place, time, tense, and pronoun. Here is a chart of how we change the modals. If in direct sentence can, may, must, should, might, could, would, ought to, these modals are being present, then we suppose to change them accordingly, like can would be changed into could, may, might, must, had to or would have to, should will remain the same should, might will also remain the same, could, would, ought to will remain the same. Just have a look at the examples for models. He said, comma, inverted comma start, I can cook food. He said is reporting verb. Point. Remember it. The sentence, the phrase out of the inverted commas is reporting verb, and the sentence in inverted commas is reported speech. We need to change reported speech according to the tense only when we have reporting verb in past tense. It means said should be there. He said, I can cook food. Then we will change it into indirect speech like he said that he could cook food. It is simple sentence, and to remove the inverted commas we will use the word that like a conjunction. Second sentence, so can, you have seen can would be changed into could. They said we may go to Canada. They said that we will be changed they. Why they? Because they is third person for us. They might go to Canada. In first sentence also he said I can. I stands for whom? I stands for he is third person for us, so we will change the pronoun. He said that he could cook food. Okay. She said I must finish the work on time. She is the subject, but she is not me, she is not you, she is some another person. So she said that she had to finish. Must will be changed into had. She had to finish the work on time. Models that remain unchanged are should, might, could, would, ought to. Kanika said, I ought to avoid junk food. Direct and indirect speech is all about pronoun. If you have learned how to change the pronoun, you will be able to do the direct or indirect speech easily. Kanika said, Kanika, who is Kanika? She is a girl. Are you Kanika? No. Me Kanika? No, I am not Kanika. She is some girl. Kanika said, I ought to avoid junk food. Then we will remove the inverted commas and comma and will join the sentence with the reporting verb. Means reported speech and reporting verb will be joined with the conjunction that, because it is simple sentence. So that will be used. Kanika said that she ought to avoid junk food. Okay. Now look at the changes as per reporting verb. According to the reporting verb, changes are made in the direct sentence or the sentence in inverted commas according to the reporting verb. If the word said is there, means reporting verb is in the past tense. It should be in the past tense only. Otherwise, you are not supposed to change the tense of reported speech. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then the direct sentence is changed in its past tense. The tense of direct speech remains unchanged when the reporting verb is in present or future tense. If the direct sentence contains the universal truth, then it remains unchanged in the direct speech. Third point, read it again. I told you that if the reporting verb, means the portion which is written out of the commas, out of the inverted commas, is in past tense, then the reported speech, the portion within the inverted commas will be changed, means the tense will be changed. But one rule is there, that if the reporting verb is in past tense but the reported speech is about universal truth or some fact, the tense will not be changed. Got it? Let's move to another slide. Examples for reporting verb. Naveen said he is young. Naveen said that he was young. Okay. Isha says I'm pretty. Reporting verb is in present tense. Got. Isha says that she is pretty. So what we have done then? Am is not being changed, means the tense remains the same, present tense. Rohan will say I am tall. Rohan, again, have you noticed? Reporting verb is in future tense. I am tall. That he is tall. Pronoun will be changed, but the tense will not be changed until we get reporting verb in past tense. They said the sun rises in the east. Here the reporting verb is in past tense, but the sentence in the inverted commas is universal truth. Then again the tense will not be changed. They said that the sun rises in the east. Got it? Now look at the changes according to the tense. Present tense will change into past tense. All the tenses of present tense will change into past tense according to their own rule. Like present indefinite will be past indefinite in indirect speech. Present continuous will become past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. Good. And past perfect continuous will not present perfect continuous will not be changed. Simple past means past indefinite will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. In future tense, what we will do? In future tense, we will just change will, shall into would and should. Okay. Will, shall be. If will, shall be is there, then we will do would or should be. Okay. Examples for tenses. Hina said, I walk. What Hina said? Hina said that I walk. Who is I? Hina. I stands for Hina. So we will change. Hina is. Are you Hina? No. I am Hina? No. Then what we will do? We will change the pronoun I into she, because I stands for Hina and Hina is a third person for us. So Hina said that she walked. Why walk is changed into walked? Because walk is present indefinite and present indefinite will change. It will be changed into past indefinite. Good. Deepak said, I am having tea. Deepak said that he was having tea. Aisha said, Honey has left for school. Aisha said that Honey had left for school. Vidisha said Ananya took pasta. Took past indefinite. Vidisha said that Ananya had taken pasta. They told we were living in Paris. They told that they had been. We were. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. They had been living in Paris. Changes in places and time. These are the changes which will take place in direct and indirect speech. Now will be changed into then. Here will be there. Today will be that day. Tomorrow will be the next day. Last week, the previous week. This, that, tonight, that night. Okay. Tomorrow can be changed into the following day. Okay. You have to note down all the rules. Ago, before, thus, so, hither, thither, come, go, hence, thence, next, following. Changes. Now we have discussed about the simple sentences. Now come to interrogative sentences. The reporting verb said to is changed in asked, demanded, ordered. Earlier we were changing said into said to into told. Okay. In interrogative sentences we will change according to that. Asked, demanded, ordered, inquired as per the nature of the sentence. While a sentence starts with reporting verb, then at the conversion time if whether is used as the joining clause. In case the sentence starts from WH family question word, then no extra conjunction is used. Understood? If the sentence means reported speech is started with the helping verb are, was, were, has, have, then we will start in indirect speech the sentence with the concerned helping verb. But if the sentence starts with the interrogative word, interrogative question, I mean WH family, then we will start with WH family only. Let's have an example. Ravi said, What is Hina doing? Ravi asked actually what Hina was doing. Got? Now the conjunction is what has become the conjunction itself. Esha said, Will she come for lunch? Now the reporting verb has started with will. Esha asked if she would come for lunch. Okay. The boy asked, What is the conjunction? If. If or whether can work like conjunctions. The boy asked, Where do you stay? The boy inquired where I stayed. Got? Changes of pronoun. The first person in reported speech changes according to the subject of reporting speech. Here is the change. I according to he and she. You, he, she, they. We, they will remain same and he will be he. She, it, us, them, our, their, his, her, hers, it. Example for pronoun. Vidya said, I am a good girl. Vidya said that she was a good girl. I told them, You have finished your work. I told them that they had finished their work. He said, She is in Delhi. He said that she was in Delhi. I hope you must have learnt all the rules. You have written and gone through all the examples and rules. In my next video, I will discuss the rules of exclamatory sentences, imperative and all. Thank you. Stay home, save lives, save yourself. Stay in home, please. Thank you.